In today's video, I'm gonna share with you another amazing application whereby you'll be able to earn free Bitcoin. In order to withdraw your earnings, you will need a Coinbase account. This app is called CryptoCurrencies. The CryptoCurrencies app offers a set of games that you can play on your smartphone at any time. CryptoCurrencies is free and the games are also free. As long as you have access to Google Play in your country, you can use the app to earn cryptocurrency. The application contains ads, so you can expect to see a few while you're playing or whenever you click to go from one area to another in the app. The points that you'll get on this app are known as cents. Every time you earn cents, they'll be added to your overall balance. Although this application won't make you rich, you can reach the minimum threshold for payment within a day. In fact, it's not uncommon for experienced players to reach the minimum in less than an hour. So in this video I will teach you how to use CryptoCurrencies in 3 easy steps. If you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe for more ways to make money online. With that being said, let's move to our today's topic. Step 1. Download CryptoCurrencies. You can download CryptoCurrencies by clicking the link in the description box down below, or you can just head over to Google Play Store to download this app. In the search bar write CryptoCurrencies. Click the first application that will appear on top. Then click Install to download this application into your mobile device. You can sign up using your existing Facebook account or Google account. Step 2. How to earn on the CryptoCurrencies app. The points that you'll earn on this application are known as cents. Every time you earn cents, they'll be added to your overall balance. You can earn on the CryptoCurrencies app by playing games. You'll earn points whenever you play any of the games that are available on the app. You can choose from the games that are on your screen by clicking on the one that you like. Each of these games is played in a unique way. For instance, the CLIPCLAPS game is a match game. You'll need to flip the cards and put matching cards together in order to get points. There's also a math game, and this involves calculus. So, it offers more of a challenge for people who enjoy that. On the other hand, the sliding cents game is for people who loves puzzles. You'll need to solve the puzzle successfully to get points. You'll be required to watch an advert, and when that advert is over, you can play the game. The cents that you earn will be added to your balance after you are told how much you won. After that, if you choose, you can watch another advert and repeat the process. Step 3. How to withdraw your earnings from the CryptoCurrencies app. When this balance reaches 1000 points, you'll be able to exchange the points for real cryptocurrency. CryptoCurrencies pays you in cryptocurrency, so you'll need a cryptocurrency wallet. You can get one for free at Coinbase by clicking the link in the description box down below. To withdraw your rewards, you'll need at least 1000 cents. It's fairly easy to reach this minimum. That's one of the things that I love about this app. Once again, thanks for watching this video till the end. For more ways to make money online, don't forget to